Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Non-stick grill pans. Non-stick and easy to clean. The Switzerland Eilag non-stick coating is very effective in preventing anything from sticking to the surface, even with minimal oil, and also makes cleaning a breeze. Just wipe it with a paper towel or rinse it with water, free of PFOA and PFOS. Sturdy and durable. This grill pan is made of die-cast aluminum, sturdy and no warp. The Bakelite handle features comfortable to grip and stays cool to the touch. Versatile griddle pan. This is a versatile tool to sear, sauté, bake, broil, braise, or fry. You can cook steak, bacon, grilled cheese, chicken breast, and veggies indoor or outdoor, no matter the weather is hot or cold, wet or dry. Good for all cooktops. This grill skillet can be used on gas, electric, induction, and glass or ceramic cooktops. The thick, high magnetic, conductive stainless steel base helps distribute heat evenly and quickly. Perfect grill marks. The raised ribs leave perfect grill marks for a great presentation and keep the fat down in the grooves. The pour spouts on either side of the pan make it easy to drain those excess fats and liquids. Milk frother. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home without a trip to the coffee shop with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte, you know your tastes best. Note: packaging may vary. Easy to clean and store. The durable, convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Cleanup for this matcha whisk and frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next to other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries included, with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2-3 seconds response time. Instructions: meat temperature chart, comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use. From BBQ thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, barbecue, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Easy Read digital thermometer for cooking. Large instant thermometer dial with bright blue backlight means you can always read the temperature, whether you are grilling in the dark or baking in your kitchen. Perfect must-have grilling accessory for kitchen essentials. Water resistant. Perfect digital cooking thermometer for meat. Our digital meat thermometer for food of any kind is water resistant, IP66 rated, and can be washed and cleaned under running water. Valentine's Day gifts for him or her. Our meat thermometers for cooking and grilling are delivered in an elegant, foam-lined box, making it the ideal gift for husband or wife. Makes for the perfect food thermometer for cooking. The meat thermometer comes with an additional CR2032 battery in child-safe packaging. Water filter. Water filter. 3 Brita Stream pitcher water filters that offer great-tasting, healthier tap water when used in your Brita Stream filter water pitcher. Cuts out impurities. Filter removes over 90% of chlorine taste and odor, along with Class V size particulates, using dual-layer filtration with an innovative carbon form that means no black flecks. Filter as you pour. Brita Stream filters feature patented filter as you pour technology, which means no waiting at the sink when you fill your water filtration pitcher. Sustainable. By switching to Brita, you can save money and replace up to 1,800 standard 16.9 ounce single-use plastic water bottles each year. Convenient design. A filter indicator lets you know when it's time to replace your water filters with just one click. Duration. One filter lasts up to 2 months or 40 gallons. Fits Brita Stream pitchers. Replacement water filter works in all Brita Stream pitchers. Kitchen utensils set. The iBiome Kitchen Scissors All-Purpose Heavy-Duty Kitchen Utensils Set is an essential addition to any kitchen, expertly designed to meet the demands of both casual cooks and culinary enthusiasts. With a sleek and modern aesthetic available in black, red, and black gray, these scissors are not only functional, but will also complement the decor of any kitchen space. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, the scissors feature a brushed finish that enhances durability while providing a smooth blade edge. Measuring 8.66 inches in length and 3.93 inches in width, they are conveniently sized for easy handling and storage. Weighing just 0.2 pounds, these scissors are lightweight yet robust, making them suitable for a variety of tasks. One of the standout features is the ambidextrous hand orientation, which ensures that these kitchen scissors are comfortable to use for both left and right-handed individuals. This inclusivity is a thoughtful design choice that enhances usability for everyone. The straight blade edge is perfect for a range of applications, from cutting through meat and poultry to snipping fresh herbs or even opening packaging. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. The Ninja BL610 Professional 72-aughts countertop blender stands out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances with its robust design and powerful capabilities. Functioning at 1,000 watts, this blender is engineered to handle a variety of tasks from mixing and blending to crushing ice and pureeing ingredients. The large 72-ounce capacity is perfect for families or those who enjoy entertaining, allowing multiple servings to be prepared in one go. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL610 is its total crushing technology, which utilizes stainless steel blades designed to create a smooth blend in seconds. This is particularly effective for creating frozen drinks, smoothies, and even soups. The device offers 4 distinct speed settings, giving users the flexibility to achieve the desired consistency based on the type of ingredients being processed. This blender is remarkably lightweight, weighing in at just 7.1 pounds, making it easy to handle and store. The push-button controls are intuitive and allow for seamless operation, even for those new to blending. Additionally, the unit is BPA-free, ensuring that the materials are safe for food preparation. Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler. Your dream tumbler. Whichever way your day flows, the H2O Flow State Tumbler keeps you refreshed with fewer refills. Double-wall vacuum insulation means drinks stay cold, iced, or hot for hours. Choose between our 14-aughts, 20-aughts, 30-aughts, 40-aughts, and 64-aughts options depending on your hydration needs. The narrow base on all sizes except 64-aughts fits just about any car cup holder, keeping it right by your side. Advanced lid construction. Whether you prefer small sips or maximum thirst quenching, Stanley has developed an advanced flow state lid featuring a rotating cover with 3 positions, a straw opening designed to resist splashes with a seal that holds the reusable straw in place, a drink opening, and a full cover top for added leak resistance. We've also included an ergonomic, comfort grip handle so you can easily carry your ice-cold water to work, meetings, the gym, or trips out of town. Earth-friendly durability. Constructed of 90% recycled BPA-free stainless steel for sustainable sipping, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 has the durability to stand up to a lifetime of use. Eliminate the use of single-use plastic bottles and straws with a travel tumbler built with sustainability in mind. Coffee maker. The Keurig K-Classic single-serve K-Cup Pod coffee maker delivers a reliable and efficient brewing experience suitable for a broad audience. With its sleek black exterior and compact dimensions of 9.8 by 13.8 by 13 it seamlessly fits into various kitchen spaces without taking up too much counter space. This coffee maker boasts a fully automatic operation, making it incredibly easy to use. The programmable features allow users to brew coffee at their convenience, while the removable water tank simplifies refilling and cleaning processes. The auto-clean function is particularly useful for maintenance, ensuring that the machine stays in optimal condition with minimal effort. Designed for versatility, the K-Classic can brew a stainless steel water bottle. The Elo Cooper 22-aughts stainless steel water bottle is an exemplary choice for anyone looking to combine functionality with style. With a capacity of 1.4 pounds, this water bottle strikes a perfect balance between being lightweight and durable. The sleek black finish gives it a modern appeal, making it suitable for various settings, whether at the gym, office, or while traveling. One of the standout features of the Cooper water bottle is its double wall insulation, which keeps beverages cold for hours without any condensation on the exterior. This ensures a mess-free experience, especially on hot days. The leak-proof design provides peace of mind when tossing it into a bag, while the screw cap ensures a secure seal. The inclusion of a BPA-free plastic internal straw and a lid with a soft silicone spout is particularly thoughtful, as it promotes easy sipping. Although the product is advertised as dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to maintain the structure and finish over time. Weighing in at just 14.1 ounces, the bottle is easy to carry, and the integrated carrying loop adds to its portability. Its dimensions, 2.9 inch into 10 inch, are designed to fit most cup holders, making it an ideal travel companion. Noalto reusable K-cups and coffee pods. The Noalto reusable K-cups and coffee pods stand out as an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts looking to reduce waste while enjoying their favorite brew. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these K-cups are designed for durability and longevity, offering a sustainable alternative to single-use coffee pods. Measuring 1.42 into 2.08 into 1.73 inches and weighing just 2.12 ounces, the compact size ensures easy handling and storage. The product's basket shape is thoughtfully engineered to maximize extraction and flavor, allowing users to experience their coffee at its best. With a strong customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on nearly 14,000 reviews, it's evident that many users appreciate the convenience and efficiency of this product. Furthermore, its popularity is reflected in its ranking as the #1 in reusable coffee filters within the home and kitchen category on major marketplaces. The Noalto reusable K-cups are compatible with a variety of coffee makers, making them a versatile addition to any kitchen setup. The simple design ensures easy filling and cleaning, allowing users to switch between different coffee blends without hassle.